Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close.
Good afternoon. I'm trying to find my chart. It has appeared to disappear. There it is. It appears to have disappeared. Where's my ES chart at? Why can't I find anything? Everything is all messed up. Where's the ES chart? Alright, I gotta move stuff around here. I don't know what's going on. ES chart is somewhere. Just still not got back to that previous day close, huh? Where is this chart at? Where's it at? I don't see it. All right, now I found it. All right, looking good here, looking good. Up $1,000 on that trade here. Do I just take the 1,000? I'm up 20 points on that ES trade from this morning. I just left it on. I don't know if I just take the 1,000 that it's up. Yeah, let me get my copy trader pulled up. All right, got everything pulled up here. Shit. Take the 1K Omatica? You think so? We're up 1,000. We're long off the 73, looking for the 704 area, although there's not even an order up there anymore. I had an order up there, but I guess not. I was just looking for that 704. There's 10 more points. Yeah, I guess I'll take the 1,000. Or do I just move do I just put a stop in like right here? And if it runs, it runs. We'll do that. Locking in basically 20 points here on the ES. This is just on an eval. I just left it going while I was gone today. Yeah, it's just an eval, no big deal. Kind of ranging here. Close out some of the stuff here that I don't need open anymore. do we push up into close? I don't know. The next level up is the 705. The bulls don't really regain control per Mancini until we get above 705. Looking like resistance up here at 730s. That initial balance, is that the high or the low? That's the high from this morning. If we can kind of get up there. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you already won. Exactly, Andy. You already got the W, man. You can't be going for a double dip here, can you? What up, Pine Tree? What up? We're long off the 73 level from this morning still. I'll be honest with you guys. I put my stop all the way down here at not even 60, 53. I was like, well, if we make it to the low, then we're probably going lower. So it did not get it, and then pushing up. Pine Tree, did you take that 5-minute inside? Bah. Today it banged. I took it. I only took it on an eval, but still took it. I don't know. I didn't have huge confidence in it, so. But I took it with 5 micros. Two daily loss limits, 2 bank profits, totaling 4K, 1 past eval. Nice. You're building a short for the murder bot. What up, Tech T? Watching Andrew Tate. Is he out of jail? Oh, you missed it, Pine Tree? Crazy. A short. Well, we are in an area where we could turn back down. We definitely are. That's why I just went ahead and put my stop in. Although, I mean, I don't know. I'm not sure. We still could push up as well. For sure. We still could. It's kind of what I'm banking on. Oh, you were hanging at the BDH? Oh, nice. I didn't see that. Were they live? Your ADHD hates red? I don't blame you. Pine Tree was hanging at the BDH. Oh, yeah, I forgot I pulled up somebody to watch, and I can't even hear him. Oh, there we go. We're kind of hanging out up here at the highs. Unable to get back through that 4-hour gap to the upside there. Just kind of banging our head on it all day. I'm going to move this chart back over. You guys know I'm long. I'll tell you guys if I get stopped out. I may end up moving that back anyway. Yeah, we'll kind of see what we get here. My lean is... Can't get above the previous day close right now. I think we got... You can see I'm kind of watching that 4 hour here. We're not really going to know. 10 to won't even, it's definitely not going to inverse before the end of the day. So, but that being said, does this look like a bearish candle or a bullish candle? That candle there. I mean, I know it closed red, but that's a pretty bullish looking candle. Yeah, I like the buying too. I just never could figure it out, Cooper, to figure out how to keep all the charts on there at one time. I don't know. You can't adjust them. Well, at least I couldn't. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. It's nearly 9 p.m. Good weekend. Okay, appreciate you, Mo. Oh, all right. Give your win to someone else when you finally get it. Alrighty, alrighty. Let me get comfortable here for the squeeze into the end of the day. It's gonna squeeze. We're gonna squeeze into the end of the day. We're getting up here. We're kind of consolidating here. I wouldn't be shocked if you see one more dip down into here, and then maybe we rip. We'll see though. Pull back into the 690s and then we go. We do have the murder bot here in just a few minutes. You're holding along from 622. Looking for 765. I think that's within reason. How's my day? No, I didn't trade off stream, Alexia. I almost never do that. Still up 20 bucks on these and still up the same on the others. The only difference is this one here, we're up $400, but we're still in the trade over here. So Bulanox still up that 215. Core still up 400. So no trades, just still in the same trade that we've been in all day. On the ES, just trying to look. I got the stop in profit. So, I appreciate you, Matty Matt. No, Somalia, I have a code with Lucid. It's code MM. I am probably going to pick up some accounts from them over the weekend. I'm going to add a couple of different prop firms in. Not max accounts. I got a couple of trade day accounts that are going to renew. I got, I want to pick up some a couple of Tradeify accounts and, you know, a couple of other ones. But Lucid's one that's been on my radar. Just never tried them, but I am going to give them a try. I know Nutty's trading with them, so I'm gonna try to get another funded ticks account as well. I'm not gonna buy a bunch of accounts, but just gonna try to, you know, get a few going. We got the we got like 45 seconds until the murder bot here. I might play the murder bot. Let me see. What do we want to play it? I don't want to use a trail stop on it. Heard some good stuff. Yeah, me too. To the moon. That's what we're hoping for. Got 15 seconds. I'm going to jump in long here. Probably right at the close. All right, I'm in. Looking for the run into 730. It's not exactly the reaction I wanted, but I think it'll be all right. Pulling back to the 713s here. That's not the right way. Rude. Kind of makes sense though. Yeah, still holding up there, 693. $693. Let's see if it runs this wick down here and then bounces around that 700 level. MOC did nothing to the upside. Nothing. Does it hold the 700 level here? Let's see. Short big, paid big. Let's go, Andy. Nice job. Runner stopped in profit. I mean, I think this is a level where we need to hold if we're going to push up into the end of the day. But who knows? See if we hold this area. I'm long from like 703 is my average now. Let's look for a little bounce back up into the 15, 16 area. Here's waiting for 747 at least. I mean, I think it could get there. It just depends. All right, taking me out of one there. Out of two. Down to just one here. I'm going to hold it for probably a moonshot in the end of the day. I'm going to put my take profit at 745 here. Nice push back up here. Long ES as well. Still looking for 67.05 into the end of the day. 67.05 is my target on the ES. 7.45 is my target on the Nasty Girl. Rip it. Let's go. Rip it. We're coming into the 55 candle right now. 3 seconds. There it is. Gets above 733 here. It's really going to just moonshot. Just going to moonshot right here if it gets above 733. What up, David? Come on. Get above that freaking initial balance high there and go. Might just stay right here in this range in the close. If it pops the 733, pew, pew, to the moon, to the moon. To the moon, to the moon. We're looking for 67.05 on the ES. Actually, I'm going to pull it down. On ES, I'm going to go for 67.0175. Funded ticks. I like them. They got cheaper accounts, no activation fee, 40% consistency rule. Their accounts are reasonably priced. So you can have up to $300,000 in capital, so 650K accounts if you want. That's probably what I'll go for. I don't know if I'll go for all 6. I'll probably go for like 3, maybe 2. Come on. What are you doing? Why you got to make it hard for me? Why's it got to be so difficult? Long off the bottom of the range. So I like my position here. I like where I'm long from. Yeah, Tech T, I've already been up. I mean, I was up like 26 points. Might have should have taken it. I don't know. Maybe I should have taken it. I'm not sure. I just believe in the longs. The previous day closed 747. Can we hit it? Yeah, exactly, Somalia. That's happening. Keep rejecting the IBH. Here we go. Coming into the final minute here in about a minute and a half. Cove said he may have to go to the hospital in 4 hours. I said, boner alert. He's rock hard. Yeah, I'm going to, Andy. Our Tech T. I'm trying to see if we can just get above 33 here. I mean, I'm just like... I don't know. I think this is too close. If we could get above 33, I feel comfortable dropping it here. I think we just massively squeeze in the close if we get above 33. But I got to drop it. All right, here we go, guys. I'm long both. Stops are in. I'm long on both, ES and Nasty. Long on the ES and long on the Nasty Girl. Let's go, Somalia. Nice job. 9.8K. Come on, rip it. Let's go to the moon. That's not the moon, brother. That's not the moon. Come on, turn this candle green. Turn this candle green and squeeze. All right, turning it green here. Everybody blow on the bottom of your screen. Oh, man. Get through there. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. 15 seconds left here, guys. Oh, man. It looks like it's going to be a letdown. It's going to be a letdown. Come on. Let the air out and rip it up. There's the air. Where's the air out? It's going up or down? Up or down with the air out? Up or down? Up it is. Come on. Don't yell at it. Be just a sweet girl. I'll rub your back if you just go higher. I'm moving my stop to there, but it's not moving. See how it didn't move? I didn't hear the doo-doo. Bulanox sucks at the close. It freezes for like a minute at the close. There we go. Now it stopped it. Come on, go. Come on, let's go to the moon. No giveaways, business lens. No giveaway right now. All right, I'm going to move that up to 25 there. 5 points behind price. I mean, how does it not retest the 67.05? It's got to. I just want the 67.02. Not even asking for the 05. All right, I'm going to trail. Oh, come on. It won't let me trail. My mouse froze right when I was trying to move it. Trail that up to the body as well. Yeah, they're jealous. I was playing them. They were like jealous of one another. You're not wrong. They were like, why is he's supposed to just be long me? Nasdaq is like, you're long, you're playing someone else? You're long another indice? That's so wrong. So wrong. I mean, if it could just get above that 32, 33 area, we could squeeze over here on the Nasdaq. That's just what it's just been getting knocked down there all day. I think the daily high is like 747 and a quarter, and I'm front running that by a couple of points. Looks like that's where it wants to be, but how does it get there? $97. Probably get stopped out over here. Long from 80, by the way. We're long from 80. Or, I'm sorry, 73. Long all the way from 73 here. Up $1,200 on this trade. Long from 73. Let's go. All right, you know what? I'm going to take 700. I'm going to take 700. 27 points on the ES is pretty solid. 24 points is good too. $1K for the subscriber and 200 for me. Yes, yes. If only we could. I think it's going to go. I really think we end up at like previous day close up here at 747s by the end of the day, but who really knows? We are trailing pretty tight, so if we get stopped out, you know. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Max agrees. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. All right, I'm going to take the low-hanging fruit here. I'm going to go for 737. That's it. Stops are in. I think if we hit this, we probably get a little wickage up to that. Is she going? No, I'm not invited to the BDH. They don't like me. I heard the things you got to do to get to the BDH if you're a guy. There's some pretty nasty things. And I mean, Pine Tree's okay with doing that, but I'm not. You know what I'm saying? The things that Pine Tree will do to get to the BDH, I'm just not willing to do. You know? I mean, come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. 27 points on the ES with a mini. We'll take it. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Rip it. This could be the turn down spot, so I think I'm going to lock it in a little more here. All right, 30 points locked in there, stopped out. We'll take it. ES is at the initial balance high there. Don't want to fight it. I just didn't want to fight it. So we end up making 744 on that. We were down when we entered that trade, by the way. We were down like almost $500. So took the win there, took the W. Maybe one day I'll go to the BDH. I don't know. Guys, if you want to help support the channel, hit the like button. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. If you want to help support the channel in other ways, use my code for Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Bulanox, Trade Day, Tradeify, Day Traders, Tick Tick, Elite, Legends, Lucid, and Prop Shop, Funding Ticks. All is code MM if you want to use those. And then code MYTH, MYTH, is for Funded Futures Network and Apex. And then code MMM for the Futures Desk. Guys, remember Apex brought back the $85 activation fee. Don't miss out on it. If you're looking to reload with that, then pick up an account with them. That was one contract, Tyson. One contract. I was along both. So just one contract, 27 points. I think we made around $1,200 on that trade, but we were down 5. And then we were also long on the ES or the Nasdaq here. Mustafa Isam, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. But yeah, that's going to do it for me today, guys. If you guys haven't already, like I said, hit the like button, subscribe. And we'll be back Sunday for the Open, for the Asia Open. We'll trade that Sunday. And we'll try to put out some content over the weekend for you guys here. Maybe I'll do like a little weekly recap. We might do a little back testing session. I don't really know. Something. So, hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Sam, how's it going? And we'll be back, like I said, on Sunday at the very latest. Maybe we'll do a little something on Saturday. Don't know yet. We'll figure it out. But appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect